Beit pamolok yo kangat happy o jinjar ban ped hakas ngi kendo sedang kentei ruka juhi filter ngatip kan syukor yapi filter effect insta himlaban mudur ke borjongka mati ofring bungau hai insta lakam kokot sada video call oi oi sim ya do ya kispara bali kasih kendo tapen baj haban boy kasih ngalalang masan labi ish putei sok nau bungau lakum jing shong kiu ada Dur Puri Blei rating lakum mishri marway.
Yo, what's up everyone? Megalia, Khasi people, Kumno Pilong, Paralo. Welcome back everyone. So today we are checking Dur Puri Blei video hit song, guys. Pynshynna rabon singer. Let's check it out. I see a lot of faces here, guys. So curious to check it out and hoping to see the best. And for sure, we are going to enjoy it, guys. So hope everyone is doing well, guys. Soon, or next month only, guys, I'll be in Shillong, guys. I'll be with you guys. I'm so happy, guys, to come to Shillong, and I'll be celebrating cherry blossom, guys, with you all. So I'll be posting my vlogs in this channel, guys. Make sure put on the bell. If you subscribe, put on the bell so that you will get my vlogs from next month. It will be only in this channel. Love you so much for all the support, guys. Stay tuned and let's go. A lot of faces. They are waiting for one amazing actress here. Dur Puri Blei. What does it mean? Dur Puri Blei. So many guys here. Oh, they also brought bars. Wow, what's the party? The whole Shillong public. Let's go to the party. We wanna party. Let's party, bro. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Shabik majonga kiril songpi hapo IG kapulong yanga pantex yapi lehot leson talapalat kamla mapi bagi make up tangan peda hikmat tangalahon namar ngarang itang iPhone lehot leson talapalat kamla mapi bagi make up tangan peda hikmat tangalahon namar ngarang itang iPhone maslabi isha pertay kumel bunga lokum ching shongkiu ada Dur Puri Blei rating laku mishri marway Beit pamolok yo kangat happy o jinjar ban ped hakas ngi kendo sedang kentei ruka juhi filter ngatip kan syukor yapi filter effect insta himlaban mudur ke borjongka mati ofring bungau hai insta lakam kokot sada video call oi oi sim ya do ya kispara bali kasih kendo tapen baj haban boy kasih ngalalang masan labi ish putei sok nau bungau lakum jing shong kiu ada Dur Puri Blei rating lakum mishri marway.
English subtitle, but I can understand something. Then the guys like to use the filter instead of something that's too much. So energetic. I love this music.
Dur Puri Blei ngam jalaw perthei pi penshabik ki majonga kiril songpi hapo IG kapelong yanga pantex yapi lehot les on
That was amazing, guys. This should be a party. This is a really hit song. I'm even sweating. This is hit song, I know, guys. Such song should be played during party, right? When people are there during the last moment of cherry blossom, when there is no any artist to perform, then you play so that we guys will enjoy together. We vibe, we dance, guys. This is really so amazing. And yeah, the guy, I love his energy, guys. This actor, guys, is he the singer or is just the actor? Because it's so good. I see good energy. Dur Puri Blei. Dur Puri Blei. What does it mean, guys? Blei is like tell, like say, I think. But the other words I don't know, guys. Anyway, that was really amazing. And you know, whatever that has team, then good result are there, guys. They really made it nice together with the whole team, with the amazing energy, guys. It is just like fun for them. This music video just it was like just a trip for them to have fun, and I'm pretty sure they all enjoyed that day during the music show, and it was so clear, amazing shown in the music video. Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget, share, subscribe, stay tuned, guys. See you next month in Shillong, Meghalaya. Dur Puri Blei.